Meteorologist Paul Goodlow for the Weather Channel.
Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And we are keeping a close eye on what could be Alex here later this evening. But as Paul Goodlow mentioned, it is still potential tropical cyclone 1. Yeah, kind of a funny name. I'll talk more about that coming up. What we're seeing right now in North Alabama, Huntsville, of course, the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, kind of a typical early June weekend in North Alabama. Highs in the mid to upper 80s and just some of our typical puffy clouds building up in the heat of the afternoon. Once we lose that heat over the next couple of hours, all these clouds will disappear and we're back to mostly clear skies this evening. It's 85 degrees still in Huntsville, briefly touched 87 today, which is within about a degree of our average high for this time of the year. Hour by hour temperatures through this evening, again, still holding in the low 70s all the way through 10 o'clock tonight. So just a beautiful evening. Light winds if you're out and about. It will continue to see those temperatures falling to the mid 60s through the overnight hours and into your Sunday morning. What we're seeing right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, dry conditions. And again, just some of our typical clouds building up in the afternoon heat, but even those are starting to disappear. And again, we'll be back to clear skies through the overnight hours and into your Sunday morning. And just like today, we'll start to see the clouds building up for your Sunday afternoon. Still a great day to be out at the pool tomorrow with highs running about a degree or two warmer than today. But there will be just enough instability in place tomorrow that we could see a stray afternoon pop-up shower storm. No reason to cancel the plan out of the pool tomorrow. But again, keep in mind there is that chance for some lightning and rain. Also keep in mind that the sunburn time is still right around 10 to 15 minutes for tomorrow with the UV index close to the extreme range, right around the edge of very high to extreme. So just make sure you have that sun protection if you're doing anything outdoors tomorrow, not just out at the pool. So there's a look at future radar. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Seeing some passing clouds, but again, enough sun getting through that we're going to make it up to the upper 80s there for your Sunday afternoon. You will also notice that we're seeing some pop-up showers and storms. Not a huge coverage, nothing strong or severe, but again, there is that chance. And a lot of that activity that we are seeing, it's mostly west of I-65 tomorrow. Then as we head into Monday, dry conditions to start the work week, but then we're starting to see some pop-up showers and storms developing by Monday afternoon during the heat of the day. And we're going to make it up into the low 90s by Monday afternoon. So plenty of heat to fuel some of these pop-up storms. And you'll notice a lot of that coverage on Monday. It's mostly east of I-65, closer to Sand Mountain. So look at the precipitation forecast for the next couple of days. It's not a lot of rain. That green that you're seeing on the map, it's mostly a trace. But look how the map fills in heading through the next 7 days. A lot of that blue that you see, that's closer to an inch of rain. And then you get closer to the purples north of the state line into Tennessee. That's closer to 2 inches of rain. And that's because we're going to have a front that's going to stall out just to our north Tuesday and into Wednesday. You can see all that heavy rain just to our north, still bleeding over into North Alabama by Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. Then we're starting to see some of those showers and storms drifting south through the day on Wednesday. And we're still seeing that chance of showers and storms into your Thursday. All right, now into potential tropical cyclone 1. What's interesting, it has sustained winds at 45 miles per hour, which meets criteria for a tropical storm, but it's not with that full structure just yet. So the National Hurricane Center is still holding off on upgrading it to a tropical storm, but they do expect it to be a tropical storm later this evening and tonight. Right around 2 a.m. they have it at tropical storm status with 50 mile per hour sustained winds, but thankfully it's going to be racing off to the east northeast. No impacts to land, including Georgia and the Carolinas, but you can see it racing to the east northeast, maybe bringing some swells to the Carolinas, but that's it. Just will be a fish storm as it heads out into the middle of the Atlantic. So your 7-day forecast, expecting highs again to climb to the low 90s on Monday. That should be the peak. Still at 91 degrees on Tuesday, but yeah, look at those storm chances. 40% on Tuesday, 50% on Wednesday, and still right around 30 to 40% chances Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we'll be dodging storms out at Toyota Field for the Trash Man is back in town next week.